Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we will learn domestic animal. What is means domestic animal? Animals that can live and grow with humans are called domestic animal. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe this channel. Now let's go to the video. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Cat like milk and fish. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Dog protect our house from thieves. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. We get milk and meat from goat. Cow, C-O-W, cow. The cow gives us milk. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. It gives us wool, milk and meat. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. It is mostly found in desert. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. It carries heavy load. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Its milk is very useful. Pig, P-I-G, pig. They roll in mud to protect themselves from sunlight. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. It runs very fast. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. It likes eating carrots. So friends, how was the video? If it is useful, please like and share it.